Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing y'all how I do my inner corner pop of color that is going on right now. And it's super easy to do, and I have been doing it lately with a bunch of different neon colors. So yeah, let's get into it. Today I think I'm going to do a neon pink, so I'm probably going to use the James Charles palette. Alright, so what I do just to kind of make it pop more, which you don't have to do, is I put concealer first, and just my regular concealer I use every day in the inner corner just to kind of make it pop more. But like I said, you don't have to do that. But I'm just gonna go ahead and show y'all how I do it. I found this old lip brush that I used a long time ago, but I think it's the perfect size, so I can get in there and it not be too big, so it won't be messy. So we just want to put a little bit of the concealer on the brush and then, do it. Okay, so you literally just go in. I don't know if I'm trying to get a better angle so I can see what I'm doing. Alright, so you just go in and just lightly brush like you're painting. Then you go down. Up there. Okay. And then, so I put too much on this one. I'm just going to go ahead and just kind of blend it out. Alright, so then I'm going to do the exact same thing on the other eye. I feel like this is such a fun look. And then down at the bottom and in the inner corner. And it's literally as simple as that. Okay, so I'm going to use the James Charles palette, which I have stuff on, so I should probably clean that, but not today. And then we're going to use this pretty color and just go over it with the color. Alright, so let's get to it. Alright. I just feel like it's so much more vibrant if you do the concealer first. Or you could also do a white eyeliner. Whatever works best for you. I think that looks so cool. Alright. I just want to make sure it's blended nicely and not like a harsh line. It kind of looks faded. Okay. Next eye. Honestly, easiest thing to do. And just do the same exact thing. I have some lash glue on my lid. Ow. Oh my god, will it come off? Oh my god. This is messing up my look. Okay, got it. Back on track. And then the inner corner, and then just bring it down. And that's literally it. It's super easy. I don't know. I think it's cool. I like it a lot. At first I was like, what is this? Why is this happening? But I'm digging it. Just gonna go in and go a little bit more at the bottom. So that was super easy. So now I'm going to go ahead and put my lashes on because this will make the look a lot better. I just look really weird without lashes, I feel. But you know, good thing there's fake ones. Alright, so I'm gonna go put these on. Grab my tweezers. Look how much better that looks. Wow. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and do some bottom mascara. Okay. And I feel like I want a little more pink in it, so we're just gonna go back and grab the same brush I was using, which is, I talked about it before in one of my videos. It's one of the sets that I bought off Amazon for like, it's like a $10 pack, and it comes with like a good bit of brushes. I just want it to be a little more intense. Alright, sorry guys, my phone died. So I added the amount of color that I wanted, that I'm satisfied with, to I think that's really intense. So I'm just going to go ahead and add a little bit of bronzer with my Smashbox bronzer that I use. Just real quickly, just to not make me look like a friggin' ghost. And then I think that is it for the look. And then I'm just going to use some setting spray. But I think that's all I want to do. Okay, so we're going to use some setting spray. I love the way this stuff feels and smells. Alright, so this was my video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope y'all liked it. It was just a quick little video on how I get my inner eye to pop. And so yeah, so please subscribe to my channel. Please like my video and leave a comment, and I hope you'll have a good rest of the day. And once again, thank you so much for liking. Thank y'all so much for watching, and I hope y'all liked this video, and I hope y'all have a good rest of the day. Bye.